Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of August. And first of all, national news. Will return to work. Aims doctors' body after Supreme Court's appeal. Answer to any problem not in battlefield. PM Modi on Ukraine conflict. Have blood relationship with people of Jammu and Kashmir. Rahul Gandhi on pre-poll visit. Sri Lanka announced visa free access to Indians from October 31. PM Modi met Polish counterpart. Donald Tusk discussed bilateral ties. Top tax authority CBDT forms panel to review income tax law. Kejriwal आएंगे आप launch new campaign ahead of Delhi elections. Chandrababu Naidu stressed workplace safety after Andhra Pharma firm blast. Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, Congress National Conference Jammu and Kashmir tie-up done, but discord over seats math. Now international news. Vladimir Putin manipulated Donald Trump's ego and insecurities, new book claimed. PM Modi to visit Ukraine, Poland. PM talks of India's role in resolving war. Asia's first known case of new deadlier mpox strain confirmed in Thailand. PM Modi met Polish counterpart Donald Tusk, discussed bilateral ties. Now, news related to sports. Mohan Bagan and East Bengal to clash in Lucknow on September 2. New BCB President Faruqi Ahmad questioned coach Chandika Hathurusinghe's role, eyes total overhaul of setup. ICC to get new female director as Indra Nui's 6-year term ends. Rising from the debris, club thrower Pranav Surma eyes Paralympic glory. Now, news related to business. Nigeria's crypto investors urge government to follow India's approach in tackling Binance dispute, a report said. Gujarat is one of India's top business destinations and produce some of the country's top industrialists. Zomato to acquire Paytm's entertainment ticketing business for $244.2 million. News related to science. ISRO Chandrayaan 4 and 5 design reportedly ready. Gaganyaan mission set to be scheduled for December. SpaceX launched 22 Starlink satellites on August 2024, with its new rocket mode. Rocky exoplanets may be holding water in deep molten iron cores, research revealed. And that's all in news. Thank you.